Good morning, and hey there, all you cool cats. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2000. That's right, 20. And this is our first video morning meeting message. Just like we do in the morning when we get to school, we are going to do the Pledge of Allegiance. So put your hands on your heart, and let's say, allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Great job, boys and girls. So we are going to take a look at our work for today. Right now, I want you to pause the video and take some time to look over our slides. So right now, pause your video and take a look at the slides to see what is expected for today. All right, so you should have already looked at the slides today to see what is going to be happening. Some quick reminders to go over. We have our morning slide here with our little message. Then we say, greet someone at home with a lion roar. Also, we have here our link to our morning check-in. Please make sure that you are checking in each day. This is one way that I am taking your attendance each day. Awesome. Moving on. Here we are going to be on Tuesday. Today is Silly Hair Day. Just because we are not in school doesn't mean that we can have a little fun with some spirit wear. Remember, if you are doing spirit wear, send your pictures to me at sur@evnet.org. For those of you who were on the Zoom yesterday, we learned how to be able to email me from your own account. Pretty cool stuff. Now, here we have our daily agenda. This is just a sample. We did talk about this in the Zoom yesterday for us to lay out your week to make sure that you are using your time to the best of your ability. You'll notice today on Tuesday, my sample we're going to have at the box office day 2. You're going to be creating subtopics today in reading. And then maybe yesterday you played Scrabble with your family. So today, instead of doing social studies again, you could maybe do a video in science. Moving right along. Today you're going to have 3 chapters for Winn-Dixie. Some of you have already listened to chapter 16 if you stayed on the Zoom call yesterday. I will be posting it for the people who did not listen to it yesterday. And you can always go back and listen to it again. There will be videos here of the 3 different read alouds, and please make sure that after each read aloud, you should be doing a flip grid. If you would like, you can do one flip grid and share your thoughts about all 3 chapters in one flip grid, or you can do 3 separate flip grids. My suggestion, as you are watching me read the read aloud, have a piece of paper in front of you so you can jot down some ideas about what's happening during the read aloud. All right, today in reading research, we now all should have a topic of an animal that you are going to be researching. Today, you are going to have an opportunity to watch a video created by Mrs. Weisbrod. Yes, Mrs. Weisbrod did an awesome video about finding subtopics for our research. Also, you will notice that there is a graphic organizer that you can use when you are writing your subtopics. You will notice that I have first put a link here that you can print out this graphic organizer at home and handwrite it, or I will be placing a copy of this handout on Google Classroom where you can type right into the document. So either or. So today, make sure you watch the video, you use the graphic organizer, and you have at least 3 subtopics for your animal by the end of the day. Also here I have created a reminder of how to get onto Epic. If you have any difficulties getting onto Epic, my suggestion is log off of Epic, log back on, and see if you can get through there. Now, you may ask, Mister, what if I forgot what my animal was I chose yesterday? Here is a graph that I have completed, thanks to Mrs. Traverson. Such a great idea to have each of your names under the animal that you chose. So for example, if I was tigers, I could click the word tigers and bada bing, bada boom, there is a link to all of the different tiger books on Epic. Make sure you work hard on that today. Take your time and really find some really good subtopics that you want to research about your animal. All right. Always, 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 reading is great. You know how much I love to read. So I've also given you an optional. You can always read your fiction books at home. Here you have your idea of reading for 20 minutes. It's always good to read. I like to do it right before bed. It relaxes me. All right. Next up, math. Today in math, you are going to have an instructional video for at the box office, and then you also have your slides in day 2. The one reminder I have for math is please make sure that on your show work page, a lot of you are doing a great job showing pictures of the fractions that you are making, but also make sure your answers are there too. So those 3 questions or 4 questions sometimes that they ask you to answer, that is what I'm looking for on those sheets, not just your pictures. So a lot of you have been doing a fabulous job sending me your work. Just remember to put your answers there too. Okay? And as always, science and social studies are optional. This week we have what kind of animals might there be in the future. And today is National Dolphin Day. Goes perfectly with our research unit. So some ideas you can do is to read a book about dolphins on Epic, maybe draw a picture if you like to draw, or on Disney Plus if you have it, there is a new movie about dolphins. So maybe at night your family can watch a movie about dolphins. So that is all that we have for today. I hope that you liked this video. I hope that it was helpful. Remember, I am always in the chat from 9 to 12 and then 1 to 3:30. If you have any questions, you can always email me. Have a great day, work hard, and be awesome. Bye.